Oh shit! That's one thing. Hey. Oh shit! Yeah. Whoa, these seagulls are mad at me. Yeah. Hey, hey. Oh, there's a little chickie, that's why. This guy's gonna try to get me right here. What a trip. I can't open this door. Attacked by seagulls. They're mad, they don't mess around. God, I gotta get this door open. Oh. I'm stuck up here on this. Hey! Hey, fucking bird. Jeez. Yeah. These fuckers are pissed. Yikes. And I'm stuck. I can't fucking believe this. Help, Mom. Fuck. Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. They are fucking mad. Oh, they got their little chickens right there, that's why. They got their little geese, their little sea eagles. Right there.